Alright, let's get straight into it. Trick number 1 will help you to get unlimited cloud storage. Yes, unlimited cloud storage for free. How? Well, thanks to Telegram. Just go on Telegram and create a group and add your friend just for temporary purposes, and then remove your friend from the group, and now that group has become a server for your cloud storage, and whatever you send on that group you can download later, anytime, anywhere. Interesting trick, right? Then watch this video till the end because there are more and more tricks to come. So trick number 2 will let you to share your Wi-Fi password without even telling the password to another person. How? It's very simple. Make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, and now what you have to do is to go to your Wi-Fi settings and click on the gear icon and choose the QR code. Now your phone will display a QR code which your friend or the person who wants access to your Wi-Fi should scan. So what they have to do is to go to their settings and click on their Wi-Fi settings and click on a QR code scanner option, through which they can scan the QR code which your phone is displaying, and then their phone will be automatically connected to your Wi-Fi without even you telling the password of your Wi-Fi, which makes it very simple. So trick number 3 is a very helpful trick because it will let you know the air quality index around you, and not only that, it will also give you out the COVID information and wildfire information if there is anything nearby you. So it's very simple. You have to open your Google Maps, but before that you have to make sure that your Google Maps apps is updated because this feature is only there in the latest update of Google Maps. So it's very simple. You have to update the Google Map and you have to click this icon which will give you a pop-up below, and then if you click on AQI, it will show you the air quality index around your location. Now there's also a scale mentioned below about the air quality index, and usually people say that if it's below 100 then you're good to go, but if the air quality index is above 100 then staying inside your home must be very safe because the air quality outside is very bad. And not only that, you can also click COVID info which will show you the COVID cases, active COVID cases nearby your location. And not only that, you can also click on wildfire which will show the presence of wildfire if there is any happening near you. So this is a really cool feature that Google Maps has brought in recently, so kindly check it out. So trick number 4 will help you to save a ton of battery. Now most of the smartphones have always on display, and if you see the battery usage statistics, the always on display consumes a considerable amount of battery just because it's always on. And I am a person who loves always on display and I don't like it to be turned off. So what I do is to set bedtime mode. Now bedtime mode is a feature which will disable the always on display during your sleep. And what you need to do is to go to your settings and search for digital well-being. And after going that, you have to click on bedtime mode, through which you can set the time from when to when your always on display should turn off. Turning off your always on display while you sleep is very helpful because it can save a ton of battery. The mobile standby and the always on display are the two major things through which our battery is consumed. So trick number 5 will help you clear your speakers if your phone has accidentally fallen to a water body. No, I'm not going to ask you to dip into a bag of rice bag, but this trick will help you to clear the speaker of your smartphone. It's very simple. You have to go to fixmyspeakers.com and then click on the button on the website. Now clicking this button will emit a high frequency volume through all the speakers that's there on your smartphone, which will pull out all the small droplets of water, making your speaker crystal clear. Now this trick is very helpful if your phone has accidentally fallen inside water, and that will help you at least recover your speakers, because speakers are one of the important things that get damaged easily if your phone falls inside water. So that's it. These are some of the mind-blowing tricks which will help you, and let me know in the comments below that which one of the tricks you will go and try immediately, and also recommend your friends. And by the way, don't forget to recommend this video to your friends because it will also be useful for them. And as I always say, if you enjoy watching my content, a like to this video would be great, and don't forget to subscribe. It's pretty simple. Click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.